So, we've all been there. Your door has found itself within a large box, along with a machine that has a 50-50 chance of either doing nothing or opening your door. No need to be alarmed, but your precious door has now entered a state of superposition, where it is simultaneously opened and closed. But don't feel afraid, as this video will demonstrate a simple yet effective technique to solve this commonly occurring problem. The key point you need to know is that you must not open the box and observe the condition of the door at any moment. Doing this will bring the door out of its superposition. And if this happens by accident, I already have 2 excellent tutorials on where to go next if you find yourself here. With that out of the way, let's begin the tutorial. Step 1 is to free your mind of typical worldly logic. Your door currently exists on a theoretical level, so you have to get your brain into a theoretical state as well. Now that you are only having hypothetical thoughts, you can begin to deconstruct what is beyond the superposition. What is your goal here? Like, what's behind the door? Is it a conventional desire such as money or fame? Is it something more cognitive like happiness or the ability to overcome failure? Or maybe it's a YouTube channel that only posts April Fool's videos for some reason. Whatever it may be, the solution is that you already have everything you could ever need. They lay dormant and innate within your soul, and you have the power to awaken to your strength as long as you're subscribed to Red Toady.